You do, and that's again at 10 a.m. You're going to get the alerts on these alert systems, the NOAA all-hazard weather radios, the NOAA weather radios. Those will go off. Again, this is a drill. The emergency alert systems on cable TV, satellite, those should go off as well. And then, of course, the outside warning sirens. But those are only meant to alert you if you're outside. A lot of the times people tell me if there was tornado warnings, they didn't hear the sirens. Well, if you're inside, you probably won't during a thunderstorm, which is noisy and loud. Don't rely on those outdoor tornado sirens. Lots of tornado warnings have gone out and been received without anybody hearing a peep from the outdoor sirens. So again, that's only for outside. We'd like you to have the NOAA weather radio. We'd like you to watch KMBC, KCWE, check the forecast to see if you're under a risk of severe weather for that day. And then, of course, our KMBC app on your smartphones will alert you as well.